minutes after walking into the workshop, I realized I had underestimated welding. What looked simple from the outside turned out to be one of the most technical skills I've ever tried. And somehow the day ended in a way I never expected. Welcome to Adventure Log Day 1. Today I am learning how to weld for the very first time. I've never done anything like that before. Let's go and find out if I can actually do it. And if you enjoy watching me step out of my comfort zone, try new adventures every week, please don't forget to subscribe. We are just getting started. This is just the beginning. Let's go. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to learn welding for today. So I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
How long does it take for someone to become a welder?
It doesn't take much. It's just your interest. That interest is what matters. And your commitment to learn. Approximately 3 years is enough. You can learn how to weld and do other things that is needed that can put food on your table.
Okay, is welding dangerous?
Welding is not all that dangerous. Depends how you are prepared to do it. But first of all, you have to be prepared, like avoiding some harm because of where we work. Like all these things very dangerous to our body. So putting on your safety precautions can also avoid those dangerous things not to come to harm you.
Okay, so what is the first thing I should know?
Measurement tape, you have to know the measurement, which knowing this measurement tape, you have to know the numbers and how it's being used. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Let's get ready for work today. Goodbye.
Because when you look at it, the same form.
Something. Hey.
That is power. What a man can do. Try it. You can. Power. Yeah.
Yeah. See? Watching someone weld is completely different from doing it yourself. Every movement had to be controlled. Too slow, it wouldn't work. Too fast, I would lose control. The more I practice, the more I realize why experienced welders make it look effortless. If I look nervous, that's because I am learning. From this little experience, I realized that welding is not all about just bending iron and trying to merge it together. No, there are other works, like something like calculation, measurement, and drawing. Because you have to design whatever you want to weld before welding. So guys, after the long day, we decided to go and get food. It was not easy. I thought the adventure had ended at the workshop. Instead, the owner invited me to lunch. It reminded me that sometimes the best part of trying something new isn't just the skill you learn, it's the people you meet along the way. Before today, I had never touched a welding machine. Now I understand the patience, focus, and precision this job requires. I may not be a welder yet, but I left a new respect for anyone who does this every day. That's adventure log day 1 done. I came here today not knowing anything about welding, but today I have new appreciation for people doing this job every day. See you in day 2. Bye bye.